But there's an eagle right there, and I think one coming towards us.
I'm gonna hit this little... Oh, it's running away. A shame. It's like... It's so laggy! It's not even fighting back.
This is so fucking brutal.
I killed it. Careful, careful, I'm gonna hit you.
The female, it's not even dead, we could tame it.
My club broke.
Oh god.
We need the mats, we need to hit it to get... It's not dead yet, enemy.
Oh, you should hit with a pick.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, you guys fucking level up. Yeah, I keep hitting it to get the mat.
I got,
to get high.
I got like 5 hide.
Oh, fantastic, we can make shoes now.
That's the eagle, isn't it? That's the fucking eagle, isn't it?
Let's sprint.
Well, my legs are broken, so I can't sprint anyway.
We're not long for this world. It looks so ridiculous. I think it's coming back.
Are you watching this?
It's like, it's just flying up.